welcome back to my channel. So I created this really gorgeous pink purple glittery eye makeup look using the Rida Zayn Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. And yes, I will be swatching these palettes for you and doing a first impression as well. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So I will start by swatching this It's My Turn palette. See, it has really beautiful warm tones, pinks and purples, browns, and then we have this really nice blue shade over here. We have 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 matte shadows, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have
shimmer shadows and 2 glitter eyeshadows, and then I think this is like glitter shimmer something mix. So I'm gonna see while doing the swatches. So I'm gonna start with Speechless. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys this palette, the Let Me Glow palette, and we're gonna do some swatches. Here's my first impression on how it looks. So we have lesser matte shadows in this palette compared to the It's My Turn palette. 8 shimmer eyeshadows, 2 glitters, and then this glitter shimmer shadow over here. And then we have quite a few matte eyeshadows, so you can create amazing looks with this one as well. I'm going to swatch these next. So these are the swatches on my arm. If you guys want to see how these perform on the eye, just keep on watching. Okay, so I will start off by applying the shade Blank, and this is a really nice deep berry shade, and I'm taking the MB27 brush by Morphe. So I'm just gonna apply this in my outer corner and crease. So taking the Sigma E36, I will be taking the shade Smoothie just to blend it out. And then I will be taking the shade Bunny Nose from the Let Me Glow palette. I'm taking the M441 brush by Morphe and I'm just blending out the edges. So far I'm loving how easily it is to blend these eyeshadows and how pigmented they look on the eye. So this is really nice. Next, I will be taking the shade Stiletto from the Let Me Glow palette. So this eyeshadow is so far my favorite, the shade Nautica from the Let Me Go palette, and then I will apply this under my brow as well. So taking the shade Hung, I'm just gonna apply this in my outer corner. And then I will take the shade Blank. Next, I will take the shade Glisten. To line my eyes, I will be taking the NYX Epic Ink liner. So next I'm going to apply this shade Blank on my lower lash line. So Rida Zayn Cosmetics sent me this really nice makeup sponges as well, and I have dampened one already, you guys can see. So this is the packaging. I'm gonna just remove this. So this one is wet already, and you can see this is almost honestly double in size, and it is really nice and squishy. So if you want to see how it performs on my skin, just keep on watching. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.